In this video, you will learn how to use variables to treat uppercase and lowercase letters equally in ActivePresenter. You have a fill-in text entry question here, and you need to set correct answers for it. Then, set infinite attempts for it, so that students can answer as many times as they want. Despite only having one answer area, there are 4 correct answers with different letter forms to be typed in. Therefore, you have to use a variable to treat uppercase and lowercase letters the same. Before that, don't forget to untick the case-sensitive option. Choosing this option means that only answers with the same letter forms as those in the list of correct values will be accepted. So, now you add a text variable. In the Home tab, click Variables. You name it. Select the text type. And close to save. Then, add the variable you have created to the text entry. You delete the Show Correct Feedback layer action. After that, you add the Execute JavaScript action, so that the uppercase and lowercase letters are treated the same. For your convenience, this line of code will be left in the description below. When the students answer correctly, correct audio will play. So, you add the play audio action under the condition that the students type the texts correctly. And finally, one more action is clear user input. This action helps clear text input after an answer is submitted. Now we'll see the result. Thank you for watching.